Hello, welcome back. So this is now your activity 3. Okay, so may nag-warm up na kayo, nag-basic defense na kayo. Let's focus now on the basic kick. So there are a total of 5 basic kick. But the first one, you will learn muna yung tatlo. Okay, so let's see the video. So the first basic kick is what we call the low kick. The low kick. So, di ba na-practice natin ang knee kick. Ang knee kick. Okay, so tinataas lang po siya. But this time, knee kick and then stretch out. So, yan po ang sipa natin. Okay, pa-straight. So, naunang tuhod and then pipitik ang sipa. So, that's what we call the low kick. Okay. So, remember, nauuna muna ng konting tuhod, tapos pumipitek. And yung paa should be parallel to the ground. The second kick is what we call the 45 kick. So, prinactice natin ang hanging kick. Like that. Okay? So, mula dyan, pipitik ngayon siya. Okay? So, again, kagaya rin na hanging kick, your body and your foot should be able to twist. Okay? Nagtitwist po siya. Okay? And then, pag-twist, pagtaas na hanging kick, sisipa po siya. Next is what we call the axe kick. So yan, nakikita nyo, pinerform natin ang high level kick. But this time, ang axe kick, pagkasipa pataas, tutulak pababa sa harapan ninyo. Okay? So nandun ang puwersa, yung sa pagtulak pababa. So that's what you call the axe kick. So again, okay, so what you're going to do is create a video of you performing this 3 basic kick. Okay? And wait for the instructions kung paano or saan po siya i-send. So with that, guys, okay, good luck. And be careful, okay, when performing these kicks.